The open road offers unmatched freedom, but the risk for motorcyclists is exponentially higher than for any other driver. When a crash occurs, the rider has almost no protection. Because of this, insurance companies are quick to blame the motorcyclist, often using the excuse, "I didn't see him." We know that in the vast majority of motorcycle accidents, the driver of the passenger vehicle is at fault. A driver's simple negligence, like speeding, distracted driving, or failing to check a blind spot, can lead to catastrophic injuries for a rider. Common injuries we see include severe road rash, spinal cord injuries, broken bones, and critical head injuries, even when a helmet is worn. These injuries require extensive medical care, leading to massive medical debt, lost wages, and often permanent disability. To recover compensation, we must prove the other driver's negligence. Negligence is defined as acting recklessly or dangerously, or failing to take an action that a reasonable person would take, thereby jeopardizing the safety of others. For example, a driver texting and driving who turns into a lane occupied by a motorcycle is clearly negligent. Proving liability is everything in a motorcycle accident case. The insurance defense will try to argue that the motorcyclist was speeding or weaving to avoid paying the full cost of the claim. Our job is to investigate every detail, witness testimony, police reports, and accident reconstruction to establish the driver of the car's breach of their duty of care and hold them fully accountable. You deserve compensation for every monetary loss you experience, known as damages. This includes current and future medical bills, the cost to repair or replace your bike, lost wages and lost earning potential, and significant compensation for pain and suffering and emotional distress. If a loved one has tragically passed away from their injuries, we can also pursue a wrongful death claim to provide payment for surviving family members. Don't let insurance companies get away with pushing the blame onto the rider. You shouldn't have to focus on complex legal negotiations while recovering from a serious injury. If you or someone you love has been severely injured in a motorcycle crash, you need experienced legal representation that knows how to fight the biases against riders. Let us handle the insurance company and the legal process. Contact us today at Cornell Injury Law for a free consultation